I have with me Mr. Arjun Rampal. Arjunji, welcome to India. Welcome to India TV and welcome to Sydney, Australia.
Thank you, my pleasure.
You've just come from New Zealand and in Fiji. How are your concerts there?
They were very good response. The audience was excellent, and the shows went off smoothly. Um, Fiji was great. Auckland was amazing. We had a packed house in Auckland, and very nice arena, and very good people. And so was Fiji. Yeah,
Okay, and you just been out to see some sightseeing in Sydney. How do you find Sydney?
no, I wasn't sightseeing. I had to go for dinner here. So I just went for dinner and had a great dinner. I've been to Sydney before, and it's a beautiful place and a very nice city. The people here are very nice.
I understand you are with your wife.
Yeah, that's right.
And how are the two daughters?
They're wonderful. Yeah, thank you.
Okay, can I ask you a couple of questions about your career to date? You started as a model, then you turned into a supermodel, into a brilliant actor now. Take us through your experiences. You've got like 15, 16, or maybe more films already under your
Only
belt.
10 films.
You have 10 films?
Yeah.
Okay, all right. I won't be surprised if you will have 15, 16 films in a short time. Tell us which was the best film that you enjoyed working and who with?
Well, I mean, you cannot. It's like asking a mother, "Who's your favorite child?" Yeah. So you cannot say that that was my favorite film or my best film that I enjoyed working in. All films have been different experiences, and all films have been fun, and all films have taught me something new. So I liked all my movies, and that's why I'm just only 9 to 10 films old today, even being in the industry for 4 years now, because I believe in doing less work but the right work. And whatever the fate of the film is, when I look at them 20 years down the line, I'll say no, they were sensible movies.
Tell us about your forthcoming films.
Right now, releasing on December 9th is a film called Ek Ajnabi, which has Mr. Bachchan and me. And it's been directed by Apurva Lakhia. It's a very different kind of a movie. It's more of a relationship oriented film. And I think it's come out very nicely. And I'm looking forward to that.
It must be. How was your experience working with the big Amitabh Bachchan?
It's wonderful. I mean, of course, he has so much experience behind him, and he has no inhibition in sharing it with you. And तो बहुत ही अच्छा लगता है. I mean, उनकी जो personality है, उनकी जो patience है, वो उनकी पूरी experience. It's a very very amazing experience, and I'm very fortunate to be able to work with him.
Yeah, I'm sure. In future, what would you like to play? What's your ideal role?
हाँ, बहुत लोग मुझसे ये सवाल करते हैं कि आपका आइडल रोल क्या है, लेकिन मेरे हिसाब से आइडल रोल वही होगा जो, अगर मैं कहूँगा कि अच्छा मेरा आइडल रोल है जय का शोले या एल पचिनो स्कारफेस में, या तो और फिर मैं वो जाके वही काम करूँ तो मैं उनकी नकल करूँगा, and that will not be original. So I think for me an ideal role would be something that would be original and something that would have been written for me and then which I would have played originally. और फिर जब आप ऐसे सवाल एक नए एक्टर से करोगे तो बोलो अर्जुन का वो जो रोल है वो मुझे चाहिए.
Okay, and let me just briefly touch. You have got lots of followers here in Australia, sure, in New Zealand and Fiji too. And there are also some aspiring actors and models. What kind of advice would you like to give those people staying here? How should they pursue their career?
The only advice I can give to anybody, and people ask me, uh, I mean, what I have done is that मैंने कभी compromise नहीं किया अपने काम पे, और मैंने हमेशा focused रहा हूँ कि मुझे जो काम करना है और जो मैं पाना चाहता हूँ अपने काम में से, और कभी शॉर्टकट नहीं ली. तो मैं वही एडवाइस दूंगा कि मेहनत कीजिए, और मेहनत का फल आपको ज़रूर मिलेगा. चाहे टाइम लग जाए, लेकिन अगर आप सब्र करोगे तो सब्र का फल हमेशा मीठा ही होता है. और आप प्लीज़ बी पेशेंट एंड बी पेशेंट विथ योर सेल्फ एंड डोंट जज योर सेल्फ टू हार्डली, एंड जस्ट बी फोकस्ड एंड डू लॉट ऑफ हार्ड वर्क.
So lots of hard work, huh? And let's talk about this show. The reviews were really good from Fiji and New Zealand, and we've got lots of messages, lots of phone calls happening. Why should our viewers come and watch this show? Apart from looking at you, what else is there? I mean,
I'm in it. What else you want? No, I think it's a great show. It's been nicely organized and nicely put together. Also, I think it is important for people to come because this is the first time after a long time a group is actually coming to Australia, and it is a testing time. It is a time where we have to come and test the market and see that shows like this going to work here or not. And it takes a lot of courage on behalf of the promoters who bring the show here, because it costs money, and it takes a lot of courage on behalf of artists who come here. If there was an established market, it would not be a problem. But if viewers out here also do want a market here, then they must come. And besides that, they're going to see a good show. I mean, we've put up together a quality, A grade show for them. So they're going to enjoy it, and it's not going to be a waste of their time or their money. But and most importantly, I think if the Australian viewers do want a market to grow in Australia, then they must come and they must experience it and then decide for themselves if they want this market to grow or not.
okay, I'm sure there'll be lots of people coming. Personally, I was very fortunate to be in Chicago and Atlanta with you for the Navratri when you were there with Amisha Patel and all that. And I'm privileged to meet you here twice again in a couple of months. On that day, on the 26th of November, the Sydney is also lucky to be able to celebrate your birthday with you.
And definitely be there for the show. It's on my birthday.
You have any birthday wish?
Well, I just wish that I can give a lot of happiness to all you guys who are going to come to watch this show. It's a great show. There are lots of performers. There's Mahima, there's Preeti, there's Aryan, and they all have performed very well and they've really worked very hard on their acts. I have got a very special act for all of you because there's going to be a time where I can interact with all of you and I can interact with my audience. And I'm really looking forward to it. And it's a beautiful arena. I went and saw it today. And so it's going to be very nice.
And they're going to see Arjun Rampal dancing and all those
Yes.
Bollywood dances.
Everything, yeah.
I tell you, Australia is really good in terms of those Bollywood and
You
even.
have to shout a lot, okay? Otherwise, I can't dance.
Okay, all right. So you guys have to shout. Arjunji, any other messages for our viewers? Your final.
Well, all you viewers, my message to you is come to the show and we'll have lots of fun. And if you don't come to the show for any reason, then I wish you all the best and God bless you all and have a very happy new year and a Merry Christmas.
Arjunji, thank you so much for your time. Thank you very much.
है कभी कभी है धूप जिंदगी हर पल यहाँ